Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace and mercy and blessings of Allah be upon you. Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you number rods. So this is number rods. The number rods are a natural progression naming the quantity shown on each number rod and with red and blue demarcations. Number rod is the first lesson that we give in arithmetic curriculum in the Montessori. The importance of this lesson, it is the first one that really allow your child to physically feel that 1 is small and 10 is big. Imagine that your child carrying this rod almost same height of them. They understand easily this concept because the 1 rod is small and the 10 rod is big. Let's see how we are presenting to the child. Always the child should sit on the left side of the adult in all the presentation. This is rod of 1. 1. This is rod of 2. 1, 2. This is rod of 3. 1, 2, 3. It's important to note that the child is not necessarily memorizing 1 to 10 in that order or reciting numbers, but rather establishing that each quantity is a separate entity. For example, 2 is not 2 because it's the second in line, but rather because it has 2 sections. We just finished the first period of lesson. Now I'm going to show you the second period of lesson, which is the commands. In this, we will ask the child to show the last number rod, which we showed to them, which is 3, because that is the latest among the rods which we showed to them. This is to increase their confidence level that the child will take the correct rod. Show me 3. Show me 1. Show me 2 and count. 1, 2. Here we also doing some other commands like hide rod of 1, show me rod of 2, or show rod of 3 to your friends and count rod of 2, something like that. Now we are in the third period of lesson, which is the confirmation. We will ask the child, what is this? The child will say 1. What is this? The child will say 2. What is this? The child will say 3. Then we can move on to the other numbers, typically separating them into 4 groups: 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, and 8 to 10. After the child is comfortable associating the number rods with quantity, we use the number cards to introduce a symbol. At this point, the child will have progressed from visually discriminating lengths with the red rods to counting each segment and giving a name to each number rod, to establishing that each quantity has symbol to represent it in the form of numbers. Now we're gonna show to the child how to associate the symbol and the quantity. So this is the symbol for 1. Rod of 2. This is the symbol for 2. Rod of 3. This is the symbol for 3. The number rods are a great way for the child to gain a concrete understanding of the differences of quantity. This foundation will serve them in every math activity they attempt moving forward. Jazakallah khairan for watching.